cousins. Today we'll be making a mason jar terrarium. What you will be needing is a mason jar, Dollar Tree pebbles, any color of your choice. We'll be using blue and white, and fake plants. Let's get straight on to making the terrarium. Step 1, add your pebbles into the jar. I'll be alternating pebbles with blue and white to make it a cool zigzaggy effect. Your last and final step is to arrange your succulents or fake plants. Here's your finished product, and I love it so much. It is so cheap and it's not expensive. It's definitely Instagrammable. I think you would get a lot of likes on this. So it's a win-win either way. Unicorn out.